Wow, it's been a minute since I picked up this camera. Like I did, okay, so I was doing Vlogtober. I did the first week and then I did the second week, but I never got to edit the second week. And then I just never filmed after that. And it's literally the end of October. Like it's October 30th. And it's Sunday. About to start a new vlog. So yesterday, well, I had got a camera yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all that later. I got a new camera because this one y'all already know what happened when I was like telling y'all, it was one vlog I was telling y'all how to screw. There's only one screw hanging, so this thing hanging. And no, I'm not about to really mess this camera up. So I'm gonna have to use it as my backup. But yeah, I got a new camera. I'm gonna show y'all that later in this video. But yeah, it's going on 1:40. It's going on 2 o'clock. I had this cough for some days now. Like, what is going on? But this is the fit. I got this little shirt on with these pants and then these shoes right there. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and start this vlog. So today I have planned is I was supposed to work out, but I didn't work out. But I gotta clean this car, y'all. Like, it's so bad. Like, I'm never letting it get bad like this again. Like, I gotta clean this car, get my oil change, get my nails done. We're gonna get my nails done today, and we gotta get some groceries for this house. So yeah, that's what's planned. So y'all gonna come along. It's a vibe. I'm here with my baby. We get let me.
Yeah.
Here, hold the camera. Hold it for me. You know it's falling apart, you know.
Do you want me?
Why are you guys?
Huh?
They want to see my point. They want to see your point of view of me. You know? They always see in my point of view.
You don't tell them nothing.
Yeah, we had a car wash. Ooh, show the lights. Look so pretty. It was really overdue. My car was so dirty. But you better clean my seats. My boyfriend better clean my seats. What kind of stuff?
I'm at the house. I did on purpose. It should take like an hour, girl. Now I'm for real, what are you gonna do?
It's gonna take like an hour. What you call my car dirty?
It is dirty.
They can't see you.
Oh.
Y'all, we look cute together.
Like 20 damn years.
After 20 years. You wish you had this for 20 years. Oh yeah, I need to vacuum this girl out. Period. Bro, my camera's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Wait. There. Yep. Oh, okay, alright. Let's get some groceries. Well, I just got my car about to get an oil change. The tire is so little. $44. Are we in the waiting room still? I forgot the tablets, y'all.
Damn, it's cold.
But my car is over there. Y'all can't see it. It's right there. That white car.
I ain't gonna. That bit look shiny. You just washed it.
It's been like 2 hours. I swear it has. Ain't no wait. Almost 2 hours. I'm gonna show y'all the fit. You see the fit? Something slight. A camera yesterday. Y'all gonna see it later, right, babe? Tell them you got me a camera.
I brought you a camera.
Cause you what? Love me? Or you support what I do?
Both.
You're joking. He's joking. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back in my car when they get done. Okay, so y'all, if y'all don't know, Saria had started this business and I have bought from her. So I need to I had bought the how to go to your YouTube channel. So I'm trying to I'm gonna print it out. So I need to get a folder and like this clear little things for it to go in to protect it. So that's what I'm looking for right now. So yes, this right here. Sheet protectors. There's a pink one. But I don't need this big printer. I guess I get this little black one. Woo! Shit, I thought my camera fell. But look what we have here. My camera for better show my new camera. Drum roll, please. Oh, y'all see about the thumbnail. So your girl got. So this is the camera I got. It's the Sony B1.
7 something.
So I had bought a SIM card. This is 128 gigabytes. So yeah. But to open it up, and I already did open it, but I didn't really fully. But I do need to get I want to get the vlogger kit. Look on Amazon to see how much it is. But there's the camera. And sideways, because the one I have now is the Canon G7X Mark II, and it goes up. But that would have been lit if this camera could go sideways and up. But yeah, this is it right here. I need to figure out, it comes with a mic, like a wind thing, and a charger. So I'm about to see I'm about to YouTube how to put this on, because I ain't trying to break nothing. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. This is supposed to slide in. Just like that. Ha! Check the girl out. Check her out. I gotta get the tripod. I'm actually gonna look on Amazon right now and see how much see if it's cheaper than Best Buy. I'm gonna get that next week. Card in her first. Oh, it's lit. And then this is definitely different lighting. Let's see it. This one is more like, I don't know, like natural than this one. I think I'm gonna try to vlog on here and see how this is. I'm gonna show you how it looks, okay? So hold on, I think this is the button. Oh, yeah, so y'all. So this is how it looks. I think it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. So, oh, hold on. What the fuck? Oh shoot, I was doing it. But y'all tell me what y'all think. Which one's giving what needs to get? Period. But okay, yeah, let me stop recording. This is my new camera. So yeah, I just want to show y'all that. So yeah, this is her. The new addition to the family. Now your girl got 2 cameras. I want 2. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, because I was supposed to get my nails done today, but the nail shop's closed early. It's Sunday. So that kind of made me mad. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when I get my nails done. So yeah.
Christmas gift is your early Christmas gift, because we had to come here and get her the MacBook fix. She got me in here. My bad, bro. This is an early little Christmas gift.
Yeah, I think I might get this one right here. Okay, so y'all, I forgot. I want to show me doing this Saria's how to grow your YouTube channel ebook. So I'm about to show me print that out and put it in here. I'm not playing about this YouTube, like, word. Your girl was trying to grow her channel, and my girl Saria gonna hook me up. I know that for a fact. Period. So I need to take this out in the living room, because there is no outlet in here. Okay. So I got So what I had purchased from her was how to grow your YouTube channel and the content calendar and her planner. Okay, so yeah, I didn't have enough color ink, so but I finished. This is it. I'm not gonna show y'all because y'all need to purchase it. So yeah, this is it. It's 21 pages. See how it's messed up? Like all this yellow is supposed to be pink. Okay. So I won't show y'all too much. This is the only one that really. This page right here. Alright, what's up you guys? Next day, I'm about to go get my nails done because I ain't had them done in forever. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else, but that's forever right now. I'm just gonna go get my nails done, so you're about to come with me. And today's Halloween. Happy Halloween. So I don't know if I'm gonna record a little bit later me taking my daughter trick-or-treating. I don't know, I could, but I know I didn't last year. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the nail salon. Okay, oh my camera blurry. I gotta hurry up because my camera about to die. So that's really, oh Lord. That's really why I didn't record in there, but my nails are done. This is them right here. Like, I don't really like how the white, why they put so much white? I'm gonna have to go home and file these nails down. So now I'm gonna go home and just, my camera keep fogging up. I'm gonna go home and file them down, but I just got some French tips. $70. I need to start going to a black person because this would not even be $7. This would be probably $40 fucking dollars. This is crazy, but yeah. But I'm on the way home. I will talk to y'all later. So probably if I go trick-or-treating because I am leaving work early. Take my daughter trick-or-treating. So yeah, but let me go because I need to get on this interstate.